Alright, so what I'm going to go over here is what we're doing with these blogs. I'm not going over how to create a blog, but I'm going over what one should look like. So you'll have a title at the top, and then actually this is the link title, but on the actual article title, this will be where you put your actual title, just like you would a paper, and then you have your text and stuff and any media and whatever here. And at the bottom we're going to use this as sort of our footer, this whole thing, who wrote the article and what your business is here at the studio. And you'll notice these are set up to be links. That's a link to our website, that's our link to our website, and that's a link to our Facebook page. Now this is just for James's intro article for himself. But if you look at this article that was also written by James, this is about guitar strings, so we gave it kind of an intriguing or engaging title, and then you have the title and who it's by, and then all the text and the stuff that he talks about, and then at the bottom we're using the same footer. So what we're going to do is, right now we only have 3 published. We have one about the Gainesville Musicians Swap Meet, we have the one about understanding guitar strings, and then one about James Conlon, guitar instructor at Studio Percussion. So here's what we're going to do, is we're going to log into Hootsuite. And we have our own account. Where's the sign in? Okay, so what Hootsuite allows you to do is it allows you to post like you would post on Facebook, but you can schedule it in advance. You can schedule it to recur on some level, and then you can have it post on multiple accounts at once, not just Facebook, but like Facebook and Facebook groups and Twitter and Google Plus and things like that. So what we're going to do is, these are a list of our social networks. So right now we have our Facebook page, and then we have our Facebook fan page, and for whatever reason that looks like the only 2 that we have here. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and add our Twitter. And you know what, actually we don't need to use our Twitter, because anything we post on our fan page is already set up to duplicate on Twitter, so we're gonna skip the Twitter thing. We're not gonna worry about that. But we need to add some more social network stuff, so let's see what groups we're connected with that we can use. Oops, not that one. Alright, so I'm just looking for good ones to do. Alright, here's some Facebook groups. Alright, so this one would be cool. We could do post in the Gainesville, Florida Musicians group. And here's North Florida Music Scene, would probably be a good one for us to post in. You can go on back, I'll be right there. Alright, we'll just do this for now. Alright, so what we have are 3 social networks. We got our user account, we got our fan page, and then we got this group we're going to post in. We can go ahead and add another one. Let's go ahead and add another one. Alright, I'm not really sure what the best one is, so never mind. We'll just not do that. Alright, so we got these 3, and I'm going to pin them. So by pinning it, what that means is everything I post is automatically going to go to these 3. If I unpin it, then I have to physically type it in, and that's not what I want to do. So here's what we're going to do, is we're going to take James's article, and I'm going to grab the link for it. I'm going to post it right here. So it's this is what the post is going to look like. And we're going to post it now. And then what I'm going to do is go back up here, do that again, and now I'm going to schedule it. I'm just going to leave the time alone because I'm not sure really what the best time of day is to post. So what we're going to do is have his article about his guitar lessons post every Monday. So we're going to do the 14th. We're going to do the 21st. And we're going to do the 28th. So on and so forth. And we'll do that for a while. Alright, and then we're going to take his other post here that he did about guitar strings. We're going to grab the link for that. Come back to Hootsuite. We're going to post these. We're going to post one now. But we're going to post these on Tuesdays. And so ideally, what we're going to create by doing all these blogs is going to be a series of blogs that we have scheduled to post every day, and this becomes our social media content. Advertising for us costly all the time without us having to sit there and do it all the time on all these 3 different things. Alright, and then let's do the other one, which is about the swap meet. Grab the link. And the swap meet's in August, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and just schedule it to post. I guess we'll just do Wednesdays. We'll do every Wednesday up until the event. And so the purpose of this video is so if I'm not around to explain this to somebody, it'll be on our website under our staff section. Alright, and then I'll actually do it a couple of times that last week before the event, which is, we'll do Monday and maybe Friday. Alright, there we go.